Car dents are a common problem for most car owners. Whether it's from a minor fender bender, parking mishaps, or tight spots, dents can appear out of nowhere. And while it might be tempting to rush to a professional auto repair shop, you don't have to spend a fortune to fix those dents. With the right tools and DIY techniques, you can easily remove dents at home in your garage, saving both time and money. Today, on Torque Truth, we'll walk you through easy car dent removal methods that anyone can follow. We'll cover everything from hairdryer dent repair to dent puller kits that restore your car's body without the high cost of professional services. If you're tired of seeing those unsightly dents on your car and want to fix them yourself without breaking the bank, this video is for you. This updated 2026 guide will provide you with step-by-step instructions and show you exactly how to repair car dents effectively. These DIY car repair tips will empower you to get your car looking brand new in no time. Stay tuned till the end for all the pro dent removal tricks. And let's dive into these affordable car repair solutions. Step 1. Heating the dented area. The first method we'll explore is heating the affected area of the car. This technique works because heating the metal softens it, making it more malleable. Once heated, you can easily reshape the metal and push or pull the dent out. The heat also works to loosen the metal's rigidity, making it easier for the dent to pop out or be maneuvered back into place. The tools you need are simple: a hairdryer or heat gun. A heat gun is more effective and quicker, but a hairdryer will also work well if you don't have access to a heat gun. If you're dealing with a smaller dent, the hairdryer will be sufficient. For larger or deeper dents, a heat gun would be ideal. Hold the hairdryer or heat gun approximately 6 to 8 inches away from the dent. Apply heat for about 30 to 40 seconds. Keep the heat moving to avoid concentrating it on one spot too long, as this could damage the paint. If using a heat gun, set it to a lower heat setting to prevent overheating. Once the metal is warm, try using a plunger or your hands to push or pull the dent back into place. This method is highly effective for shallow dents. If the dent is still stubborn, you can try using other methods like applying a dent puller kit or using dry ice. Step 2. Using a plunger. For many car dents, especially those that are shallow and not deeply embedded, a plunger can be one of the best and easiest tools to use. A plunger is simple, inexpensive, and easy to use. It works by creating suction on the surface, which helps to pull the dent back out. This method works best on flat or moderately rounded surfaces, like a car door or the back panel. How to do it? First, run the plunger under warm water to soften it and create a better suction. Position the plunger over the dented area and press down to create a seal. Gently pull the plunger out. You should start to feel the suction pull the dent out. If the dent pops out easily, you're good to go. If not, you can move on to more advanced methods like using dry ice or a dent puller kit. Step 3. Boiling water method for plastic bumpers. Plastic bumpers are a different challenge when it comes to fixing dents. The boiling water method is specifically designed for plastic parts, like bumpers, and works by softening the plastic enough to allow you to push the dent out. This method is incredibly effective and, with a few simple tools, can save you from costly bumper replacements. How to do it? Boil a pot of water and carefully pour it over the dented area of the plastic bumper. Once the plastic softens from the heat, carefully apply pressure from behind the bumper. You may need to reach underneath the bumper and push it from the back to get the dent to pop out. After the dent is removed, pour cold water over the bumper to harden the plastic and help maintain its new shape. This technique is very effective on plastic bumpers and is much less expensive than taking your car to a professional. However, if the dent is deep or the bumper is cracked, you may need to take it to an expert for further repair. Step 4. Dry ice technique for metal parts. For metal body parts, you can use dry ice to remove the dent. Dry ice causes the metal to contract quickly, which can help the dent pop out. This technique is particularly effective for deep dents on the metal parts of your car's body. How to do it? Get some dry ice from a local supplier. Dry ice can be found at many grocery stores or specialty shops. Place the dry ice directly onto the dented area of your car. Hold it there for a few minutes to allow the metal to cool and contract. After a few minutes, remove the dry ice and check the dent. It should have popped out or be much less noticeable. If the dent persists, reapply the dry ice for a few more minutes. Be sure to wear gloves when handling dry ice because it's extremely cold and can cause severe skin burns if touched directly. This method works great for large dents in metal body parts, such as the hood or door panels. Step 5. Using a dent puller kit. For stubborn dents, especially those that are deeply embedded, a dent puller kit is one of the best tools you can use. A dent puller kit consists of suction cups and adhesive tabs, which help pull the dent out of the car's body. It's a more precise method than the plunger and works well on moderate to deep dents. Clean the area around the dent to remove any dirt or debris. This helps the adhesive tab adhere better. Apply the adhesive tab from the dent puller kit directly onto the dent. Attach the suction cup to the adhesive tab. Using the suction cup, gently pull the dent out. You'll want to do this slowly to prevent any damage to the paint. If the dent doesn't come out on the first try, repeat the process until the dent is gone. This method is highly effective for dents that are too deep for the plunger, but aren't as extreme as requiring a full-body repair. It's a great middle ground solution. Step 6. Final touch, car polish. After successfully removing the dent, you'll want to give your car a final polish to restore its original shine. Removing a dent can sometimes cause small scratches or imperfections in the paint, and polishing will help cover them up while giving your car a brand new look. How to do it? Apply car polish to a soft microfiber cloth. Gently rub the polish into the affected area, using circular motions to buff out any remaining scratches or imperfections. Wipe off the excess polish with a clean cloth. If you notice any remaining imperfections, you can use touch-up paint to cover them. Finally, apply a layer of wax to protect the paint and add a glossy finish. Polishing is the final step in restoring your car to its original state. It helps smooth out any minor blemishes left behind from the dent removal process. Step 7. Car maintenance tips. Now that your car's body is looking great again, it's important to maintain it regularly to keep it in top condition. Regular maintenance ensures your car stays shiny, rust-free, and in good working order. Regular car wash. Washing your car regularly removes dirt, salt, and grime, which can lead to rust over time. Waxing. Apply wax after polishing to provide an extra layer of protection against the elements. Underbody inspection. Rust can develop under the car, so be sure to check the underbody periodically and apply rust protection. Tire care. Regularly check your tire pressure and rotate your tires to ensure even wear and extend their lifespan. By following these simple tips, you can ensure that your car stays in top condition and continues to look great for years to come. So there you have it, a simple, effective guide to removing dents from your car yourself, saving you both time and money. Whether you've used the heating method, plunger, boiling water, or dry ice, you now have the tools you need to take care of your car's body without paying for expensive repairs. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Torque-a-Truth for more DIY car repair tips. Leave any questions you have in the comments below. We're happy to help.